fidget spinners. In 2017, fidget spinners took the internet and the world by storm. These small handheld devices became very popular not only because of their stress-relieving properties, but also because they were mesmerizing to spin. Many entrepreneurs jumped on the opportunities and were able to sell fidget spinners online and in retail. And in a very short window of time, they were able to make a lot of money. That's why in this video, and in memory of the fidget spinner, we're going to be talking about how you can sell viral trending products on Amazon in 2024. Let's get started. Now, to be quite honest, I don't like viral and trending products. And if you watch videos on this channel, you already know my opinion. We always talk about selling private label products and building your brand, because what we believe is Amazon is the new way for you to create a real sustainable long-term business which can really give you freedom in anything that you want to do. And Amazon can be the platform where you launch your own brand. But it's also fun, and sometimes you can make a lot of money if you are selling viral and trending products. Now, in our program, the Done For You service program, where we work with sellers one-on-one in an intensive 3 months program and help them launch their products on Amazon, we also decide to avoid selling viral trending products. And by the way, if you're looking for support and help with launching your products on Amazon and you want an expert team to help you, this is an intensive program which we can support you with. All you need to do is to just check out all of the information on our website, www.assessmentlease.org, or you'll find the link in the description box of this video where you can apply to become part of this program. Very cool indeed if you want to get started on Amazon. With that being said, let's look at the very first product. We're going to be using TikTok in order to find viral and trending products. We're going to also be looking at Amazon to see further information. We're also going to be using Helium 10. If you don't already have a Helium 10 subscription, I would highly recommend that you use the link in our description box as well, so that you can subscribe to Helium 10 with an incredible discount. So, discounts, great. Who doesn't like them? Let's look. Okay, so I'm going to be playing the video without any voice because I don't want to have any problems with YouTube. So this is a hair split end remover, where basically you use steam and some other thing to remove any dead split ends. This TikTok video isn't like the best one. There are so many other videos that have literally millions of views and hundreds and thousands of likes, but this is like the best video that I found that actually explains exactly how the product works. As you can see, I love these user-generated videos because they're just so easy. They explain the product. They do quite well on platforms like TikTok because people feel like the person that's doing these videos is like talking to them directly. And that's it. This is the product. Now, I found the similar product, not to the one that you just saw in the TikTok, but in other TikToks that have a lot of views as well. I found a similar product, and I found this same exact product called Split Ender Pro. And as you can see, there are 2 sellers currently on Amazon, and one of them has 600 orders in the past month. The other one has 200 plus order in the past month, and this is on Amazon.com. And this, by the way, is information that is added on Amazon itself so that anyone can see it, not just us as sellers, but also customers can also see it. So it does make a difference for a customer to decide whether or not they want to buy the product, as you can see right here. Now, I did analyze this listing, which is the black one, the Split Ender Pro 2 hair breakage tool, just to figure out whether or not the product is getting any sales. And as you can see, yesterday, which was January 4th, the product got 14 orders. The previous day, 18 orders, up from 10. 94 orders in the past 7 days. So yes, it is getting some good sales. It's doing quite well. However, if we check the BSR, we can also see that it wasn't doing very well in the beginning of December, and now it's actually doing much better. Let's look at a longer period of time. Let's look at the past 1 year. And as you can see, this is exactly what a viral product looks like. So it was doing quite well, and then all of a sudden it just went up in BSR. Going up in BSR, as you quite know, isn't such a good thing. It just means that the product isn't selling very well, and then it went back down. Not sure what happened here. Maybe the seller ran out of stock, so they had to increase their selling price or something like that. However, it is a product that has been selling for quite some time, and it is true. I found TikToks about this product that were shot last year and the year before, so about 2 years, and it still looks like it's a product that is very much viral and trending on TikTok, but kind of still in demand on Amazon. Let me know what you think. Now, product number 2, looking at the pet category. I'm not sure if you're aware, but the pet category on Amazon is one of the strongest categories. For me, I really like it because customers who own pets really feel a very good emotional connection with their pets. So they do make decisions, buying decisions really based on emotions and a little bit less based on logic, which is great for you as a seller because it basically means that if you're able to know how to sell this product emotionally, you can get a customer to purchase the product. Especially what I find, let me know if I'm right or wrong, especially if they're products related to cats rather than dogs. I'm a dog person, but definitely cat people I find are a little bit more emotional when it comes to their pets. Let's look at this product. So for cat owners out there, one of the main problems for cat owners is litter. The fact that cats need litter boxes and litter boxes become very dirty and it's just like a very big mess. And as you can see here in this TikTok, this is a new mat. By the way, this is a very, very short, simple TikTok. However, as you can see, it's really very simple. However, it does have 28,000 likes, 4,231 saves. That's a lot for such a simple TikTok. That shows you how interesting this product is. Because if it was like a really, special effects video, if it's really nice, very well edited, it might be that people actually like the video itself and not necessarily the product. But having such a simple video on TikTok just highlights the fact that people really like the product. So this is really a big pain point, and that's what the video showcases, the pain point of having a cat and litter boxes and all of that mess. Now, let's look at the product quickly on Amazon and on the Amazon search page. And as you can see, this is the, very similar product right here. This product sold 4,000 units in the past month. This product, which is selling at a really low price of $18, has 63,000 reviews. What on earth is happening? So I think the main image is actually quite funny because the cat looks like, very scared. But it's actually a really good product. It's obviously selling very well. 4,000 sales last month. This seller also trying to do the same thing. Gorilla Grip is a really, really well-known brand in the kitchen category, but they're trying to get something done here. They're also doing very well, 500 units, 100 units for this product. This looks like it's a really cool product. Look at this one from Gorilla Grip, different. It's just a textured mat. This one is also another mat. 11,000 reviews with 6,000 sales in the past month. Let me know, is this an interesting product? Okay, our third product is actually something in the apparel category. I know a lot of you reach out to us and ask, is it a good idea to sell clothing, apparel on Amazon? You're probably inspired by brands like the Given Movement, maybe also inspired by brands like Gymshark, these incredible brands. And yes, of course, Amazon is a platform where you can sell anything. However, it's also important to know that apparel is a really difficult category, specifically based on the sizing. But this product has nothing to do with the size and everything to do with, well, let me show you. So this TikTok itself has over 500,000 views. This is just user-generated content. This is a guy, he has an account, and it's not even an English account. And yes, this is the product. If you're wondering, yes, this is the product. It's actually a frog hoodie. Now, I think it's pretty cute. It's interesting. It would be a great gift and definitely keeps you warm, but I'm not really sure how long of a trend this is gonna last. Let's look at Amazon and let's see if this product is actually selling quite well on Amazon. Now, the reason why I think this product would be a good product when it comes to the apparel is that, sizing is quite simple and it is a fun and cute product which you would buy definitely as a gift if you don't know what to buy someone, or you would even buy it yourself. Now, if we were to, now the images on Amazon are quite ridiculous. They're actually much funnier than what we saw, because the product does come in multiple colors. And as you can see, it comes with flaps if you are a frog, or if you want to be a frog, and with frog eyes, yeah, and a zipper. So I'm just worried about the zipper. As you can see, there are multiple sellers selling this product, not doing incredibly well, but you know, selling 50 units, 100 units. This is really such an easy product. Doesn't really require a lot of marketing, I think, but this is definitely a product that's just going to be viral for a very short period of time, and then it's going to disappear. It probably already has. So I'm not sure this would be a product that I would really recommend. I'm not sure I would wear it even. And the last product is something related to electronics. I know most of you know that electronics is a very strong category on Amazon, and most of you always look for products that are in the electronics category. Let's look. Now, I know if you are a TikTok or Instagram user, or maybe even Snapchat, you've definitely seen this product before. It's actually all over TikTok. Now, I'm not suggesting that you sell the same exact product. If products are doing very well, which in this case this product is, you don't have to sell the same exact product. How about if the product has a lot of demand? How about you sell something similar? Not the same, similar. So I actually found the same exact product on Amazon.com, and as you can see, the product is selling at about 300 units per month with 3,000 reviews, doing quite well. There are other products that are very much similar that are doing much better, which shows you that if you're selling the same exact demand, whatever product people are looking for, but you make it a little bit different, you make it a little bit better, definitely better price, better quality, you're still going to be making a lot of money without having to sell just trending viral products exactly like you find them on TikTok. The listing itself of the product is actually quite good, not bad at all. However, it's not getting a lot of great reviews. It seems, obviously, this is a tricky product and it might break down easily. But if we go and look at the listing itself on Amazon, you'll find that even Amazon is suggesting discover similar items related to your search. So as you can see, it's giving me all of the options that I want as a customer. So I see so many different options, and all of them are doing quite well. This one is actually very much similar. This one in particular is probably the same one that we just saw in the TikTok, because it also has the same writing which says fresh juice. Some other sellers are selling something a little bit different with a brush. Some are selling, well, this one is actually the same, this one is actually the same. So there are a lot of the same exact products as we just saw, but there are also something different that might actually be a little bit better quality-wise and price-wise. Also here, as you can see, these products are also very similar. I definitely like this style of product and definitely really like the image because it's very vibrant. So you can also change a lot in the images and the way that you present the product so that you can make full benefit of the fact that the product is in demand, but also try to reduce or actually expand the longevity of the product and try to really hit on a product that people would like to purchase for a very long time. And that's it. These are my 4 viral TikTok products. Let me know which one you would like to buy or to sell on Amazon. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you leave me a comment in the comment section below, and you like this video, because we are on the road to getting to 100,000 subscribers on the channel. And if we do, with your help, we'll be able to support many more entrepreneurs in the Middle East region. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.